Hello YouTube, welcome back. This is Easy Beef with Easy Beef Tactical. About a month ago I posted a video of comparing the vz61 Scorpion 2 models from the collection. Today I want to do a follow-up video, short and sweet, about shooting the pistol. So since I made the video last time, a couple of things have changed on my personal vz61. But before I go there, a couple of gun safety. Unloaded, no magazine, no ammunition nearby. In the magazine, it's empty. No ammo inside the vz61 Scorpion. I shared a little bit of history about the pistol in the previous video, so I'll let you check that out. I'll post a link or I'll put a tag over here on the video. But this is my vz61 pistol, vz61, also known as vz Scorpion, designed in the 1959s, used from Czechoslovakia originally, used in a lot of places, currently even in Sweden and Europe, and especially Sweden. A lot of the gangs or criminals are still using the vz61. Unfortunately, it's got a bit of that reputation. So the IRA, Irish Republican Army, Irish National Liberation Army, I believe, the Red Brigade in Italy, they've all used the vz61. So affordable at the time, easy to use, and compact. I think it's probably also because of the size and compactness. Also, that's why it's chosen by not only the good guys, but also the bad guys. So check out the other video for more history and why it was designed and what it was the purpose. But I definitely felt like the video was not completed, the review was not completed without showing you how it's shot. So before I put the range footage, I added a stock, the original vz61 pistol stock, to this build, well, to this pistol. I finally received my approval from the ATF for the Form 1 to turn this into a short barrel rifle, and I'd already ordered the proper kit to fold it and install the original stock. So now this is a proper vz61 with a deployable stock that you can use when you fire. Again, the sights of this thing are not great. They are not the greatest. It's sometimes hard to see what you're shooting at. But as in terms of range review, the pistol is quite accurate. It's able, if you keep your aim steady and you look at the sight, the shots will go to the same spot. It ejects to the top, which is a little unusual compared to most firearms, so your casing will eject up and usually land behind you somewhere. The range visit I did the other day, I used the 30, because this is in 32 ACP, so I use this Aguila 32 Auto at 71 grain. I didn't shoot it, more than 25 yards, because this was not designed for long range engagement, right? So I also just wanted to kind of take a look at how it would be to shoot this with the stock. The gun is 32 SAP, very flat shooter, not too much recoil. The gun is easy to handle and easy to manage. So if you like today's content, subscribe to the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, check out the other video. Let me know in the comments if you have a vz61 or vz61. What do you think of the pistol? And if you have any questions regarding this. So again, this was more from the Volt collection. I don't shoot this all the time, but I try to shoot everything I own, even when I collect them, and unless it's something really, really rare and it makes sense to keep it unfired. But otherwise, I play with everything I have. So vz61 quick range visit. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. This guy. Already empty?
Yep.